Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariana, this is baby Theodore. So today we're going to be sharing with you honey cupcakes. I've always wanted to do this recipe but I never had a good honey. So I finally got my hands on something really good with an amazing quality. It comes from Greece and it originates from conifer trees and wildflowers. Make sure that you guys check them out. I'll put their link down below. They make this amazing healthy bars made of sesame seed with this honey and like different flavors combined. Check them out, it's really good. I really recommend, especially now with this time of pandemic and quarantine. Make sure that you support your local businesses, especially the small ones. They need your support. Honey is not a big thing in Brazil, like in my Brazilian culture, and I think every honey that I've had before, they come from the grocery store, which is the industrialized one. This one is raw, is organic. It has an amazing taste, trust me. So I'm very excited to use this one today with this recipe. This recipe takes about 20 minutes to make, plus 20 more minutes to bake. So it's less than an hour that you're gonna have everything done with decoration and everything. Very simple ingredients, just the honey. I recommend you getting from a good source. Try not to use the one from the grocery store, otherwise it's gonna be super sweet. The concentration of sugar on those ones is very high, but then everything else, it's very simple, just the regular baking stuff that you probably have at home. So let's start baking. So first, in a small bowl, we're gonna mix half cup of milk. For this recipe, I am using 2% and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. This is called soured milk. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. And then we're just gonna set aside. And then in a medium-sized bowl, we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Give it to mommy, please. Thank you. I'm gonna whisk it together and set aside. So now using my new stand mixer, we're gonna start with ½ cup of unsalted butter and 3/4 of sugar. I'm gonna add the eggs one at a time. It's 2 eggs. Now we're gonna add in the honey and the vanilla extract. So we're gonna add 1/4 of honey. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then slowly we're gonna add the soured milk. And now we're gonna start adding the dry ingredients. I'm just gonna get it both sides. The batter is looking good. It's very soft. And we're gonna bake for around 20 minutes in the oven at 350. See you soon, cupcakes, rise and shine. Now that the cupcakes are in the oven, I got some time to clean it up because I'm gonna need the bowls and everything for the frosting. I also got this guy some milk. And now I'm gonna start gathering the ingredients for the frosting. Cupcakes are ready. It was exactly 19 minutes after put on, and my oven was already heated to 350. They look very good. Really does smell like the honey, like I'm surprised about that. And they have a crispy edge, as you guys can see, and the middle is quite soft. It's very fluffy. I can't wait to eat this. But now let's get started with the frosting. So for the frosting, we're gonna go first with half cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of cream cheese, and then we're gonna add 2 cups of icing sugar, then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of honey. Ooh, are you excited for cake? Ooh, really? Are you excited for cake? Yeah, frosting is ready. It's very soft and smooth. It's perfect consistency. Now we're gonna start decorating. I'm gonna transfer the frosting into my bag. Are you ready for cake now? Yeehaw! They're ready. And there's someone here wanting it already. Yeah, I'm gonna get you one. Oh. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna have a bite. Honey cupcakes. You have on the floor? So I was always very curious about it, and it's so delicious. But I think it makes all the difference choosing the right kind of honey. Yeah, just make sure that you use something good from a great quality, organic if you can, and try to support your local businesses. I'm just gonna finish eating this cupcake. Because it's so good. And it's very soft. It's not crumbly. It's a perfect recipe. It turned out to be perfect. I am very happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.